What's up, YouTube? We back with another taste test video. Today we're going to be testing
Crunch.
Oh.
Crunch. Crunch. That's what a crunch is.
Yeah, it's each other. Thank you.
They don't even tell you what it is. It's right here. The 350 jump. Crunch right here.
Crunch Beyaz Çikolata.
Crunch Çikolata.
Can you look up that what's in here? What the fuck is Çikolata?
What's Çikolata? Let's see.
I don't know. They're from the ingredients in English.
Is it English?
From some ingredients in
How you
English.
spell it?
Ain't got no cheese in it, but it's right here.
Okay, never mind.
Crunch Beyaz Çikolata or Çikolata.
Beyaz.
Beyaz.
$3.50 a munch me.
That munch on my munch.
This sounds like the little Dove candy.
You are so bold.
So you want to remember how?
He's going to be a defense type, guys.
Yeah, he's gonna shrink everything. And then when Diamond come in, you gonna be like, you don't like that nigga, huh?
Who?
Diamond.
Oh, I thought you said Daigo.
Why smell like coochie?
Ooh, that's the
You
best
know
smell.
how that shit smell?
Oh, damn, that shit stink. Like, what type of coochie you be smelling?
And coochie.
You so bad.
That shit stink.
Oh. Go ahead, throw it out. Go ahead, throw it out.
I mean, it's like Belgian of every talked about.
I mean, I thought you saw
No,
that shit up.
I was just done in the taste.
Bro, what the fuck? It smells like coochie.
It's just white chocolate.
Yeah.
What the fuck it smell like this?
I know it smells crazy up in there.
But,
Oh, what you wanted?
no.
Get me off my chest. No.
Hey, coochie.
Damn, that was a quick ass video, but that was shade. That was a.
Most of our chocolate bars get short.
This was like a 5 out of 10.
That was an 8.
The original one's still better. Matter of fact, the double crunch bar is better. The ones that come out around Halloween. Better than this and the other one. The white chocolate and the regular.
Oh my goodness. I'm hearing voices in my head.
Get out of here.
Okay, Randy Orton.
In my head, they talk to me, they understand, they talk to me. But yeah.
Deja vu. Alright, we don't get up out of here, guys.
Yeah.
That chocolate bar was it was
It's like a
mid.
5 or 6.
It was mid. So yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, subscribe, and tell somebody about us. And then you can check us out on our gaming social media. We're available, and we'll catch you in the next Much Meat Hershey video. Not all at once, one Much Meat and Hershey. Yeah.
Alright, y'all. That's our outro.
Alright, catch us next time.
Johnny.